Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first YouTube video, and for my first YouTube video, I want to share my love for travel, painting, and finding balance in my busy life as I work in a bank. I am a government bank employee. So, yeah, welcome aboard. My name is Priyanka Verma and I work in State Bank of India. And on weekends, I love exploring new places. And when I'm not traveling, I paint. It is my way of slowing down and reconnecting with myself. In today's video, I'll be working on a new painting while sharing a bit about myself, how I balance work, travel, and how important it is for me to create art. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's create something beautiful together. Working in the banking sector can be tough and challenging at times. It's a job that requires patience, resilience, and the ability to handle all kinds of situations. तो मैंने अपना फर्स्ट यूट्यूब बनाने के लिए जो कैनवस पेंट करने का सोचा था वो एक्चुअली ख़राब हो गया है। अभी शाम हो चुकी है। जो मैं दिन में पेंट कर रही थी वो मुझसे बन नहीं रहा था, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा, तो मैंने ये साइड में रख दिया था और मैंने छोड़ दिया था कि लेट इट बी, मुझे नहीं बनाना यूट्यूब वीडियो। बट अभी इवनिंग हो गई है और एक अच्छी स्लीप लेने के बाद मैंने डिसाइड किया है कि मैं अपना एक पोस्टर ही पेंट करूँगी, चाहे छोटू सा है, बट वाई टू गिव अप। कुछ कस्टमर्स की सिर्फ स्माइल से ही दिन बन जाता है, एंड सम कस्टमर्स कम इन विद फ्रस्ट्रेशन determined to create a scene. On top of that, the internal pressure to meet targets can get overwhelming, making it even more stressful. हर दिन नए टारगेट्स, नए चैलेंजेस और एक अनजाना प्रेशर जो कभी ख़त्म ही नहीं होता. Not every day is a good day, but not every day is a bad one either. कुछ दिन ऐसे होते हैं जब लगता है सब स्मूथली चल रहा है, और कुछ दिन ऐसे होते हैं जब हर चीज़ उलझी सी लगती है. But in between all this chaos, there are moments of satisfaction. When you help someone with their financial needs, when a customer appreciates your efforts, or when you successfully complete the day's targets. It's a constant balancing act, and finding ways to unwind and recharge is essential. That's where my love for painting and traveling comes in. जब कैनवस के सामने होती हूँ या किसी नए शहर की गलियों में घूम रही होती हूँ, तब बैंकिंग का स्ट्रेस कहीं पीछे छूट जाता है. It helps me disconnect, breathe, and regain the calm I need to face another day. As I'm talking about traveling, I remember one incident from my last year's travel diaries. Last year, I went on a solo trip to Jaipur and Udaipur. While exploring Udaipur's Monsoon Palace, or say Sajjangarh Palace, I noticed a girl nearby. She was with her parents, showing them everything, clicking pictures, laughing her heart out with them. Every now and then, I felt her gaze drift towards me. She approached me, offering to take my pictures. I happily handed my camera to her. She asked, "You're traveling solo?" Her tone filled with curiosity and admiration. I nodded with a smile. I said, "Yes, I enjoy the silence." उसने अपने पेरेंट्स की तरफ देखा and she said, "I've always wanted to travel solo." I realized we were both seeing something in each other that we wished for ourselves. I smiled and said, "And I have always wanted to take my parents on a trip, just like you." She smiled. We chatted for a few minutes and then we said our goodbyes. As I walked away, I knew that ये moment चाहे कितना ही छोटा था, this will stay with me. This is the beauty of finding joy in small moments. And with that, this little canvas is complete. Art and travel have a way of capturing emotions that words sometimes cannot. Some moments in life pass by unnoticed, while others stay with us forever. Just like the one I shared today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed this video, do subscribe to the channel. I'll be back soon with another video, another painting, another story. And till then, take care, have fun. Bye bye.